Meaning of fondle.
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 Fondle. Fondle means to touch or stroke someone or something lovingly or affectionately. It often implies a gentle or caressing touch. The result of fondling varies depending on the context and individuals involved. For example, in a romantic relationship, fondling can increase intimacy and pleasure. However, if it is unwanted or non-consensual, it can be a form of harassment or sexual assault. In general, like any physical touch, the result of fondling depends on the intention, context, and consent involved.